Hello everyone, in last class we have studied about the measurement errors. In that we have seen the absolute error, relative error and limiting error or guarantee error in the measurement. So in this lecture we are going to see the some numerical based on those errors which we have studied in last lecture. So the first is the measured value of resistance is 10.25 ohm, whereas its value is or its true value is 10.22 ohm. Determine absolute error of measurement. So as we know the formula of absolute error, that it is the difference between the true value and the measured value of the quantity. So the true value of resistance is 10.22 ohm and the measured value of resistance is 10.25 ohm. So the value of absolute error will be AM minus A, that is 10.25 minus 10.22, so that will be equal to 0.03 ohm. Okay, so the absolute error will be 0.03 ohm, that is the difference between the measured value and the true value of the measured quantity, that is resistance. Now the second question is, a wattmeter reads 25.34 watt. The absolute error in the measurement is minus 0.11 watt. Determine true value of power. So in that case, you have given the absolute error and the measured value, and you need to find the true value. So what will be the true value? You are having the formula, let del A is equal to AM minus A. You have given the del A is the absolute error, and you have also given the measured value of power, that is 25.34 watt, and the absolute error is minus 0.11 watt. So you know the formula, del A is equal to AM minus A. So from that, if you find the true value, that will be equal to A will be equal to AM minus del A. The value of del A is minus 0.11. You will put all those values of measured value of power and the absolute error, that will be this. So the true value of the power is 25.45 watt. Okay, now the next question you can see, that is based on the limiting error. A 600 voltmeter specified to be accurate within plus minus 2.5% of FSD. FSD is full scale deflection. Calculate the limiting error when the instrument is used to measure of 400 volt. That means a 600 volt voltmeter is specified to be accurate within plus minus 2.5%. That means we have given the compensation value, or the limiting error value is plus minus 2.5% for 600 volt voltmeter. So what will be the magnitude of limiting error for 600 volt? That will be 2.5, or 600 into 2.5 by 100. We have seen the formula for limiting error, so that will be 2.5 into 600 by 100, so that will be equal to plus minus 15 volt in terms of magnitude. Now we need to find the limiting error when the instrument is used to measure the 400 volt. So if the instrument is measuring the 400 volt, the percentage limiting error will be 15 by 400 into 100, that will be equal to plus minus 3.75%. So that will be the percentage limiting error when you are using the 400 volt voltmeter. Okay, thank you.